made this painting. It's called Rafting of Medusa. And of course, we all know where this original idea of painting is coming from romantic Géricault. And what's the story with your painting?
The Géricault's painting was the first painting I think that in my life that influenced me. One was the Rafting of Medusa, and the other one was Europe is leading the people. This is the right translation. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So these paintings were like really influenced me for the whole of my life. I think that none other paintings made such an impact on myself than these things. Not in the way how it was painted, but more in the way of the story itself, what it was inside of the painting. So yeah, I used Géricault's Rafting of Medusa like as an inspiration, and then I transformed it into the real life. In fact, the things that are happening now, because the things, the sections of
CJ,
the content of the content of the Géricault's painting has inside the real nature of the human being. What I think is not changing in time, so it's in fact it's timeless. The duality of human nature, the problematic behavior when you come to the point between life and death, so what we decide at that moment. And that's why I decided to paint it in this way.
But this painting is screaming. You know? It's screaming. And what was your scream at that time when you felt what upset you so much that you had to express yourself so vividly?
The humanity is still fucked up, you know, even though we know we have these problems, but during the history, even though we know what is the problem of humanity, the humanity doesn't change.
Yes.
So it's keeping the same attitude, and this was this.
And all the symbols?
All the symbols are products of capitalism. You know, so at the same moment, I know Christ, for example, is presenting something, but then you have a Christ on a T-shirt, and it's the same with the, I don't know, with the fucking Christ, or the anarchy sign, or the Che Guevara, or I saw all these elements as some kind of a sign of what society is.
And how big the canvas is, how important it is for you to express yourself with, you know, how much space do you need to tell the story?
I need a lot of space. In fact, every time in the studios, the canvas was so big, as big was the wall. So if the wall was bigger, I'd put a little bit more of canvas also there, because I don't know, I like to paint the figures in the human scale or even bigger. So I don't know if I could that one time, like a totally big studio, and probably the paintings would be maybe bigger, because I like the size of the canvas is somehow working together with the process of painting. I like that the painting starts to live by itself. I like the colors to live. And I like the structures that I'm building inside that are giving me some kind of a new directions or some kind of a new possibilities. So one moment the painting is leaving me, then I'm leaving the painting. It's like some kind of game of giving and taking. It's some kind of